Well, I think it'll be a bit of both. We'll have business as usual and we'll have some new themes developing as well. One of the main themes that we've had going for a while has been the strong GDP growth globally and industrial production. Of course, Australia is a great beneficiary of that for resources, and off the back of that, mining services companies have done quite well. But I do think there'll be a change in leadership this reporting season between those that are surprising more or positively have momentum. In the past, we've seen those mining services companies that really supply the capex needs of the resource companies. These are the contract miners, the builders of infrastructure. They've done quite well, but they've been re-rated now and they're just sort of fighting over the contracts to come. On the other hand, people that are supplying services, OPEX services to the miners, they've got a lot more of a headwind, tailwind behind them in terms of improving going forward. So companies like Seven Group, with its supplying of Caterpillar heavy equipment and servicing that equipment, or Emeco Holdings, likewise providing yellow gear rental as well and then servicing that equipment. I think we're going to be seeing those companies really kick on and that change of leadership in this reporting season. Other sectors that have been quite reliable as well. Retailers have been reliably disappointing for a while now, particularly with that move towards purchasing on the internet. There've been some real losers there, but also winners. So the losers have tended to be over time companies like JB Hi-Fi, Harvey Norman. Now that can, there's a mini cycle there to do with residential building, or in the case of Harvey Norman, another small company there, Shrero, likewise goes up and down depending on demand for fit outs. But the winners have been on the internet side mostly until recently. Kogan obviously was a very large winner there. But if you think about retailing, even a company like Afterpay, which is servicing the retailers with a new product for payments, that's been an exceptional winner. But it's not only the internet companies. Lovisa has not got a big internet presence at all, but it's got a global rollout going for it, and that's in the throes of happening, and as a result it's on a very high rating and it's getting really good results.